Hi, and welcome to the course Introduction to R, Data Management Analysis and Graphical Presentation. It's arranged by the Department of Laboratory Medicine at Karolinska Institutet, and it's run by me, Jonathan Lind, and Marina Andersson. We both work at the Division of Clinical Pharmacology, me as an MD and clinical pharmacologist, and Marina as an information pharmacist. We have given this course more or less twice a year since 2012, although we have updated the curriculum several times over the years. The course consists of four main components. These are video lectures, programming assignments, peer assessment of these assignments, and group discussions where we look at different solutions we've come up with. Each Friday, we'll meet to go through the previous week's assignments, and in the afternoon, I and Marina will be there to help you when you start working on a new assignment. Before coming to the Friday session, you should prepare yourself at home by watching the lectures covering topics you'll work with in the new assignment. Hopefully, you'll finish answering the questions during Friday afternoon, and your solutions should be submitted no later than Sunday by midnight. After submitting, you'll receive another student solution for review and feedback. The idea here is to expose you to alternative ways of solving the problems and to give you experience in interpreting R code. Your feedback should be submitted no later than Wednesday, and at Friday we meet again to look at the solutions and discuss questions you may have after working with the assignments and watching the lectures. The last Friday afternoon, we'll apply the skills gained during the course in a real-life project, where you perform statistical analysis on realistically flawed datasets and produce graphics correctly formatted for publication. Since this assignment can be a bit tricky, you'll work in pairs and it's mandatory to participate. Presence is also mandatory during the first day of the course, while the remaining 4 Fridays are not. However, unless you are already a skilled R user, we believe it is a good idea to show up. The assignments and the peer assessment are also mandatory, but you don't have to get everything right to pass the course. If you prefer, you may collaborate with a friend when working with the assignments. If you do, please let us know so that you don't end up reviewing each other in the peer assessment. At the end of the course, you will assemble for a written examination. Each student is tested individually, and the examination will be open book. It will focus on important R tasks, and it should not be quite as difficult as some of the problems you'll encounter in the assignments. For the course, you need a laptop with R installed, and you should bring it each time we meet, including the examination.